Hey guys, what is up? This is Most William here. Thank you for watching this video. In this video we'll talk about how what is critical thinking and problem solving, because I talk a lot about this topic previously. In my previous video I talk a lot about this, like what is all about the problem solving and critical thinking. But in this video I'm going to explain you what is critical thinking, how you can what is problem solving process, and I will explain you this. You can understand and get some points and some good understanding from this, like what is problem solving process. So before going to start this, I'm just gonna say that I was working on one project and I had some problem in designing. Like I had some problem of UX, the problem of design, like how can we manage this portion, how we can manage this design. And when I was thinking about this, it emphasized me to think more and more about UX. And when you think a lot, when you emphasize your mind, it takes a lot of your mind and efforts. So when I was working on that, and I emphasized myself a lot to think more on UX process, and at last I solved the problem of UX. Like I solved the problem of design. And so how you can solve this? First of all, what I thought that time, I focused on what is the problem, what is the current problem I am facing here, and what's the exact problem you are facing, and the solution, how you can get the solution of that problem. First of all, see the whole project, understand what's the needs of the user, like what actually user gonna do here. So when you think like this, and after that, second thing is, first of all, think all about the user, from the user thoughts. Okay, from the user side you need to think like this. From the user side, when you think like why I am here, and what will happen if I click on this, and what will happen if I go this page. So after that, second thing is collecting all the data. First of all, collect all the data, gather all the information which is required in your project, whatever the project you are working on, whatever the things required. First of all, gather some of the actual data, and research is very important. When you do the research, and when you implement all the things in your design, your problem will be solved. So that's how you can do all these things. And third thing is brainstorming. When you brainstorm with your team or with the members of your team or anyone, but with team you need to brainstorming. Okay, brainstorming is third and very good part and very good process of problem solving skills. When you brainstorming with others, then you think like you collect some data from others, you think differently. Okay, so that's how you can solve the problem. That's the process of problem solving, design problem solving. So that's how you can solve the problem of your design, or from anywhere you are facing any problem, you can solve your problem like this. So this is the process of problem solving, and from here you can think critically. And when you do all these three processes that I have mentioned before, so your problem will be solved. And another thing is when you implement all the things, when you implement in your design, when you design all the things, when you make some markups after all this process, after solving the problem, then you can do some different iterations in your designs. And after that, when you do the iterations and other things, you will see your problem, and any problem or your design will be get successful, right? Let's talk again about this. First thing is you need to know all about the problem, what is the problem, and after understanding all the things, what's the problem, you need to gather all the information. everything that comes in research, right? Search and gather some details, right? Gather some details about the any product you are on you are working. So gather some details. After that, understand the user's needs. Think like from the user side. Think from their side. And third thing is brainstorming with your team members, brainstorming with your friends, right, on your project. Third and fourth thing is when you design, when you implement all the things in your design, when you solve the problem, after that what you need to do, you have to do the iterations in your design. Do different iterations. If you solved from this process, if you don't solve your problem, then you can do iterations. After that, definitely you will solve your problem. And so this is the process of problem solving. And from here you can think critically. I was in my recent video I was talking about the critical thinking as well. So critical thinking, this is the critical thinking. Here your critical thinking comes in this part. Here you can think critically. When you emphasize your mind to think on that particular topic or anything and on that problem, then you think critically. And absolutely you will see, when you think like this, when you solving this type of problems, you will see your mind is getting distracted somewhere. You want to just finish all the things. Don't focus on there, just focus on this problem solving skills, and that's how you can solve your problem. And focus on the problem solving process. That's how you can solve your problem, your design problem. And here you can think critically. So when you do all the things, definitely you will solve your problem of any design, anything. So that's how. So this is very important. This process is very important, right? So hope you guys like this video, and hope you guys understand all about the problem solving, get some important points from this video. And if you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, share this video. If you want to ask, just comment me below and I will answer all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching.